Hi guys! Welcome to the new video. Andito kami ngayon sa KFC. Nag-order kami kasi mag-fishing video. So, nag-order kami ng dinner namin kasi hindi ako nagluto. So, mag-fishing kami. Yeah.
So, Healing Islands.
Yeah.
Catch lots of mackerel,
Kung mayroon.
hopefully.
So, ayan. Doon nag-order kami guys. So, hi guys. Andito na yung order namin. Take out. Kakain muna daw si Joe kasi nagugutom na siya. Pero yung sa akin kasi yung kanin nandito sa likod. So, ang sa kanya is burger. Nagugutom na rin. Saka yung may chips. Ayan. Tawag nila dito chips. Pero sa atin, french fries. Mainit.
Gypsy Whipsy.
Mm.
I love my burger.
Ano sa'yo yung burger? Yeah? Maliit? Small?
Yeah. That's what I like.
Ayan, maliit lang daw. Hungry? Nice.
Spicy.
Ayan, kain tayo guys. Ang sa akin, ayan, manok. Mainit. Kasi yung rice ko nasa likod. So mamaya na akong kakain pagdating doon. Ayan. How was it?
Good.
Yes.
Good if you're hungry.
Ayan guys, dumating na kami. At kakain muna ako. Dahil ako yung nagugutom na. Ready for fishing?
Yeah, I got a car park ticket.
Oh my god, it's so windy.
Yeah, no, look at the sea. It's choppy.
Yeah, grabe ang ano. Ano siya guys, mahangin. Ay, ang hangin. Ayan, hangin. Ay, ko. Ayan, sobrang hangin. Buksan na yung bintana. Konti lang. Maliit. Ayan. Ayun. Ayan o, magulo pa. Kasi galing kami ng magulo. Kasi galing kami ng festival kagabi. Ayan. Nilagay ko sa baba kasi baka ayun. Ayan, kakain ako dahil ako'y gutom na. Oopsie. Ayan. Ayan guys, ako'y nagugutom na talaga. Gutom na. Dinner time. Hi, Han.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm so hungry. Hangin, sobrang hangin. You don't want any rice and chicken?
A little bit. Tiny bit.
Kakain din daw siya. Ayan. Oh, be careful your fishing rod. Yeah. Tatlo lang yung chicken na binili ko. Sabi niya kasi ayaw niya kanina. Ngayon nakakain daw siya.
Are you talking?
On my blood. Yeah. Ayan. So, let's eat.
Dan,
Ayan.
happy man.
So, ayan guys, kain tayo. So, ayan guys, kain tayo guys. Ako'y nagugutom. Mainit. Mainit din ito. Ang sarap kumain pag nagkamay, no? Nakakamay. Ayan. Nice. Wala kaming gulay. Kaya tamad ako magluto. So, kain muna kami guys.
I think it's been rough, yeah, because it looks quite,
Chape.
yeah, and the colour. It's a lot of colour.
So, you ready?
I'm ready.
Just shout.
If I catch.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you might not hear me because of the wind.
Maybe for me. On
The
the
wind
phone.
is going towards the sea.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Is it? No, it's coming this way. Oh yeah, so it's difficult to cast.
Mm-hmm. Good luck.
Thanks.
I'll stay here.
Alright.
Yeah,
Wow.
ano daw siya? Magpe-fishing. Ayan guys, puntahan ko muna si Joe kung ano na ang nangyayari doon. Puntahan natin. Mahangin. Ayan. Kunti lang ang tao kasi sobrang hangin today. At medyo ano na siya malamig na. Medyo malamig. Wala akong jacket. Mattress pa. Ayan. Siya. Ayan. Wala masyadong tao. At pasunset na. Sobrang hangin. Balik ako guys. Kaya kita siya dito. Ulo lang. Ganun siya. Sobrang lamig guys. Mahangin. Sira ko muna yan. Ayan, nagbalik na siya. What's the matter? Is it windy?
Yeah, it's so much weird. Weird.
So that's it for today then.
Have
We
a-
just
have a break
chill out
anyway.
here, yeah. Yeah, because it's cold, love.
Oh, and there's lots of men screaming in the sea. It's
Ah.
going for sure.
So maybe later when it's really,
Bye bye.
how you call this one? Oh, look at the, they're waiting, yeah?
Birds.
Yeah.
There's a few flying around.
Yeah.
You can see.
It's a big cargo ship down there. That's going to the France, isn't it now? Oh my god, it's wind. It's so cold.
It's supposed to be good though when the wind's blowing in. It's
Yeah.
supposed to blow the fish into the
Yeah.
water.
So many prawns here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold. Oh my god, it could swim.
And when I cast, the wind blows it that way
Ah,
instead of out.
yeah. Oh well, you can have a sit down, my love.
Yeah. I'll just leave that there.
Yeah. And then you do that again later.
Yeah, might be.
Might be. But there is no ice cream in there.
Too late for ice cream, Dan.
Yeah.
Maybe in the car on the way back.
Okay. No.
It's not in here.
No, when you open the thing is now. So have a rest.
Yeah.
Have a rest.
Yeah.
Have a Kit Kat.
I'm pretty tired. You got a Kit Kat?
No.
Yeah. Oh, my mouth is drooling already.
Is it? It's drooling.
Mm.
Have a rest. Have a Kit Kat. Have you got Kit Kat? No. Yeah.
I wish.
Yeah.
And this, we might be able to see the fish jumping from here.
Just keep an eye, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Say it again.
There's about 10 of them swimming right in front.
Oh,
So no
no.
point in fishing.
No. It's noisy.
We go back, yeah? 'Cause the
Oh.
car park's run out soon.
Oh, okay. So we're going back. Can you put that in? Putting that back, yeah? Ayan, ang dami na nila pala, guys. Ayan, oh, ang dami nila naliligo. Ayan sila. Marami sila.
Back one?
Wow, even though it's so cold, yeah?
Yeah. I wouldn't swim. The sea's still cold, even though
Nah.
the air's hot.
Yeah, I won't. I can even go near to you earlier because it's so
I'll wait
cold.
till at least till July,
Yeah.
so the sea warms up again.
Oh. So can you close the window, love? It's so cold.
They're having the time of their lives.
Yeah, can you close so that I can lock the window, the like, yeah, ganyan natin, guys. Yeah. Doon ako sa doon malamig. Doon marami pa lang sila doon. Their light is on, yeah? Ayan guys, so ayan marami sila. Ayan. So, uwi na lang kami. Cold. Let's go. I am cold. Yeah, I am cold. Look, I'm wearing only this. Yeah, I know. Yeah, go home time.
Oh, we already exceeded our... Wow, we've been here that long.
Yeah.
Nearly 1.5 hours already.
Oh, wow.
Our music had more taste.
So we're going home.
Bye everyone. Bye Hailing Island. No fish today, just seaweed.
No fish.
Today, only seaweed.
So say goodbye.
Goodbye. Because see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Because what?
Because there's a big group of people jumped in the sea in front of where I'm fishing, screaming and shouting.
Yeah,
So
let's
I think
go.
they scared the fish away.
So, ayan guys, uwi na kami and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave the comment. Thank you very much. Bye, bye, bye. It's a beautiful sunset.
It is. Different colours, blue, orange, purple.